Hi there! Today, we're going to learn two distinct sounds of letter E, the short E and the long E. Short E is for echo, egg, elbow. You can hear it too from these words. Den, hen, men, pen, and 10, the number 10. Long E, the second one, is for ego, easy, and eat. I want to eat fish. You can hear the long E sound too with these words. He, she, me, feel, free. Please don't forget to prolong the long E sound, okay? It's like this. I want to go to the beach. Instead of saying, I want to go to the beach. See? It's a no-no. I have another one. Please have a sheet of paper. You should have said, please have a sheet of paper. I think that's all. Thank you. Please hit subscribe and like this video. Bye now. Thank you. Mwah.